Guys, we are taking the Evo today to pick up Lily because I am not driving the GTR anymore. I don't want to risk something bad happening, so I'm gonna wait, drive the Evo. The thing is, to get in her school, the entrance is a little sketchy for low cars, so hopefully we don't break our bumper and have to drag it back home. So wish me luck. So I'm about to go in this entrance. Let's see if we can angle the right way. Go. Oh damn, we're on 3 wheels. We did it. No rubbing at all. Yes. So we just picked up Lily and she seems to be doing very good at school. Already goes to the bathroom, doesn't pee on her pants, she goes to the potty, and now we're gonna go get a donut like always. Yeah, look at her. She's happy. Alright guys, so I got my timing belt kit. I really need to get this done on the 32. I got the bearings, the seals, the spring, water pump, gasket, but I got the wrong belt. Well guys, today is gonna be probably the last time that I'm driving the GTR. So I am definitely enjoying this little ride in traffic. I'm on my way to buy some parts at O'Reilly's. Hopefully they have what I need for the car, because normally you can't get parts for a JDM car. That never existed on this side of the world. But I mean, it's just some simple belts, so hopefully they have them. If not, I can always order them online. But it's always best to look and see if they have them at your local auto parts store. Just avoids all the waiting and then the shipping from, like, for example, if you order them online. I don't know why, but every time I drive this car, I'm always like getting tailgated. I don't even do that with my own cars. Why do people do that? Especially at a red light. Like, you're like literally right on my rear bumper. I haven't even been filming and driving this car because I really need to upgrade or take care of this little thing that I need to do to the car. I don't even go pick up my daughter from school in it anymore. Of course, I always got the Evo and I enjoy driving that thing, but it was always something about driving the GTR to pick up my daughter from school. We're here. Let's go see if I could even find something for this car here.
3 hours later.
All right guys, so we're back and I was able to find one belt. They had the other 2 at a different location, which I'm gonna go tomorrow and pick them up. But here it is. Probably for the power steering, so I need one for the AC, and then the other one is for what, the water pump? Alternator? Water pump. One of those. So I need 2 more belts. And of course, the most important one, the timing belt. God, man. Let me just tell you guys, I ordered one from PRP. When I got it, it had the wrong belt. I had ordered one for an RB26, and for whatever reason, man, for whatever reason, they sent me the wrong thing. I'm not surprised. This is why I'd rather come looking for these smaller belts here rather than looking for them online. Yes, of course, I know you can always put in the part number. They're willing to swap it out for me, but the thing is, they are in Australia, so it's $90 shipping, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna charge me for them to ship me the new belt back, which equals close to what a new belt cost here. And I know I can buy this belt here for around $200. Thanks to my buddy Dustin, who has been helping me out. A few guys might know him as Godzilla on YouTube. He's been like my #1 resource guy. Him and Sean from Top Rank. Every single time something happens with the car, I always reach out to them and they both help me out. And yeah, that happened. So I can get that belt for 200 bucks. I have the water pump, I have the pulleys and everything else that I need. I just got the wrong belt. So I'm trying to just enjoy today. Like I said, it might be the last time that I'm driving this car. I should pretty soon have everything I need. With the help of my buddy Oliver, who also owns an R32. You guys haven't seen him in the channel. He has an awesome R32. You guys might see it soon. Once I get the timing belt done on this car, we plan on going to do a little cruise and take pictures of the cars. But yeah.